Hey guys, it's Maymay and it's time again for our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal, and today's is for September of 2019. I'm going to apologize if my energy level is a little low and if my voice cracks and creaks. I feel like I'm getting a little cold. My throat's kind of feeling it, so I apologize in advance for that. So today is one that I have wanted to do for every time I say it, I feel like I say this every month, but we're to that point where I'm finally making stamp sets that I've just wanted to do for a very, very long time. And we are able to kind of fill in the stamps with a little more fun, kind of different kind of stamps. And I love this one. I think you're really going to like it too. It's a little modern even. So if you don't know about our stamp clubs, the information about them will be in the description below. Be sure to open that up, look down there, and check out how you can join the stamp club. It's really cool. All right, here we go. Let's see if I laid it right. No, I never do. Here we go. Ready for this? Look how cute this is. This stamp set is called Ask, Seek, and Knock. And look at this. This door is so cool. And I'm going to tell you all about it in just a second when I show you the samples. But you have the door. You have a topiary here, you have a pumpkin over here, and then you have a pumpkin topiary as well that can go on either side of the door. Now you might be thinking, but what's this, Maymay? Well, this is really cool. This is a wooden plank where you can do that word welcome inside, or you can do ask, seek, and knock inside of this. Wouldn't that be cool? I love that. Then the scriptures for you this time are, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord, Joshua 24:15. And then peace be to you, be to your house, be to all that you have, 1 Samuel 25:6. And then you will be blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out, from Deuteronomy 28:6. And then God opens doors no man can close, from Revelation 3:7. What I love about these is they seem to be perfect for this time of year. Like if you're wishing someone well wishes, or you're wanting to send peace to someone's home, or maybe you're praying for somebody's home, maybe they're going through some trouble in and out, in with their family or what have you. I love this. This is also great for bookmarks. I did not make a bookmark as a sample this time, but it is great for bookmarks. So let me show you the samples that I did make. I love them. So look how beautiful this is. I just love how this card turned out. I glossy accented the topiary and the pumpkins. I don't always do that, but sometimes when I feel like my coloring is not very good, I will put glossy accent on it to kind of hide it. And I did a really poor job on these little topiaries, so I thought, let's hide it. So that's why they're glossy accented. That's a tip for you. And this is also paper pieced. I did a little paper piecing with the stamp. I love that. Look how cute that is. Love that one. Check this one out. This one's a little darker, like a little, I wanted to do a red door, and I wanted to do the little welcome sign. And this was to mimic, not be, but mimic kind of the look of a window. I really like how this one turned out. I definitely wanted to do a red door. And then Amanda pointed something out to me that I didn't even realize. So she was in the process of putting this in the store for you guys to be able to purchase it if you're not in the club. It is available for you to purchase. She had this laying on her desk and she went, hey, is this the size of an ATC? So she measured the door, and sure enough, it works on an ATC. So check it out. I made an ATC out of this, but also look at this. God opens doors no man can close. Now, when we made the stamp set, Mandy went through and made sure that these two tall sentiments would fit if you wanted to cut the door like I did and open it. So that's what I did there. So you can do this sentiment in there and also this one inside there. You guys are going to come up with so many ways of using this. Oh, also, I didn't even mention the door knocker. So this is like the little door knocker that goes onto a door. Isn't that cool? I love it. I know you guys are going to love it. And as usual, you're going to make a bazillion projects with it, and you will blow my mind, I'm sure. Imagine making a little wreath for the door, all the little things you can put beside it. One of the things I thought would be really cute is if you have the stamp set Wheelie Cool Wagon. Wouldn't it be cute to do a wagon and fill it up with some stuff and maybe park it beside the door? I don't know. There's so many things we could do with it. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did making it. This one was a fun one. So if you'd like to pick this up and you're not in the club, all you need to do is look in the description below. There'll be a link to it. And don't forget, we have a contest. So every month you can enter our contest. All you need to do is make a project using this stamp set and go to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and you can enter your photo, and that will enter you into the contest. And speaking of that, we have a winner from last month, and that information will be in the description below. As usual, I'm filming before the contest is up, so that person's name will be in the description. So be sure to open it in case you entered and see if you won. Hey, thanks so much, guys. I appreciate you guys being here today, and I will talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.